If you're a student and if you are new to beauty or makeup, so you want to build your makeup kit under rupees 2000, I've got you covered in this video. This is the makeup look that I've created using all the products under rupees 2000. Yeah, you heard it right. So let's get into the video, but please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, and all the links are going to be in the description, so please make sure to check that out. And now let's get started. Okay, so the first and the most important thing is to wash your face with face wash and then apply your favorite moisturizer, and I'm currently using this particular moisturizer from Requel. So yeah, and now let's get into the next step. Okay, so the first and the most important thing is to prep your skin before applying makeup and after your skincare. This is the first product that we are going to use. This is primer. So primer helps you to minimize your pores and give your face a smooth canvas to you just paint your face. Okay, so makeup is all about painting and art. So yeah, so this is the particular moisturizer that I love using. As you can see कि मैंने कितना यूज़ किया है, and you can use one more primer and that one is also from Inside. Okay, so these are the two primers that I use. This one is from Inside and this one is also from Inside. So this is their pore minimizer primer, so with the hydrating one. So if you have like a dry skin, you can try the hydrating one, and this one is like 3-in-1 primer. This is primes, protects and moisturize. So इस साइड में ये वाला अप्लाई करके दिखाती हूँ, एंड दिस साइड आई एम गोना अप्लाई दिस वन. सो लेट्स गो. ओके, सी it is like a clear silicone done. See, it instantly mattifies my face and you can see some shine on my forehead, and now it's gone. Okay, so as you can see, it minimizes my pores from both the sides, and now we have to wait like for 3 to 4 minutes and then we will proceed to the next step. If you want like a glowy base, so you can buy a Lumi cream. This one is from Lakme. ये मैंने बहुत टाइम पहले खरीदी थी, तो ये इतनी तो ख़त्म हो चुकी है, तो that's why I have this packaging, but they changed their packaging, so you get the other packaging one. And you can even buy the Swiss Beauty highlighter and add the picture of that, but that is a bit pricey. According to this is only for like 300 rupees. So if you want like a glowy base, you can get this one. So I'm gonna use it today and I'll show you how it looks on my face. Okay, so I've taken this much. I'm gonna spread it all over my face. Okay, so this is how my face is looking, like a glowy hydrating base, as you can see. Now moving on to the next step. But if you have dark circles around your eyes, you can buy it from Inside to cover your dark circles. I don't have that because I don't have that deep dark circles, so I don't have that, but you can buy that one, or you can even use a red lipstick or maybe like an orange lipstick. So now moving on to the next step is like a skin tint or foundation. So I have the mix of both. This is the Inside 5-in-1 skin tint, so it's a multifunctional product. It has like a skin tint and serum foundation kind of thing. I really love this foundation. By the way, I'm in the shade vanilla frappe, so I'm gonna apply this. Here it is. Now I'm gonna use a foundation brush to blend everything. Firstly, I'm gonna just spread this out. Now I'm just spreading, all over my face. I'm not applying perfectly. I'm just. Okay, so as you can see, this product gives me so much coverage. It is like skin like but has full coverage. As you can see, it's glowy and hydrating at the same time. I'm gonna use a beauty blender, like a damp beauty blender. For the concealer, I have this. This is the cheapest concealer, to be honest. This is also from Inside. So please ये मत समझना कि one brand makeup tutorial hai. It is not actually, but I do have so many things from inside because I love using their products. They are so affordable and good quality as well. So I'm going to use this concealer. Firstly, I'm going to take some concealer and okay, so let me show you the coverage of this concealer. Okay, so look at the coverage और मैंने कितना थोड़ा सा amount लिया था. This side has no concealer and this side has concealer. So yeah, it's a very beautiful product. It is creamy and so affordable. Okay, so now for the blush, I have two particular option and both of them are super affordable. So one is again from inside. This is their lip and cheek tint, and this is in the shade Strawberry Summer. And the other tint I have is this water tint from Elatine. It is in the shade Candy Floss. It's a beautiful reddish tone tint, and it is so pigmented. So it's a beautiful creamy product. It's a pinky tone blush and it is so pretty, and it will definitely suit all Indian skin tones. And this is particular shade. This shade will also suit so many Indian skin tones. It is this reddish tones tint. I have uploaded like a review of this product on my Instagram. You can check that out. So it is very pigmented. So be careful. I'm gonna take some on my hand like this. And now I'm gonna buff it. See. Okay, so if you are a beginner, so please make sure to practice more and more. जब मैंने मेकअप करना स्टार्ट किया था, आप मेरे पहले की वीडियोस देखोगे, मुझे इतना अच्छे से मेकअप करना नहीं आता था, बट मैंने वीडियोस बनाया, मैंने खुद भी मेकअप किया काफ़ी बार, एंड देन मैं सीख गई करना कि कैसे करते हैं. एंड आई डू गेट सो मेनी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स ऑन माई मेकअप कि मैंने बहुत अच्छा मेकअप किया है. सो या, practice makes a man perfect, so practice makes a woman perfect also. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks so pretty, natural. I love this blush or tint. By the way, it's a lip and cheek tint. So now moving on to the next step is to set our makeup. Okay, so I don't have a compact powder, but I do have this loose powder from Pack Cosmetics. It's there, as you can see, मैंने बहुत use किया है इसको. It's a very tiny packaging, so it is very perfect for traveling, and it is for rupees like 250. It is so you know beautiful product. So you can apply your makeup with pizza puff, or you can use just makeup like a fluffy brush. So yeah, I'm using my pizza puff. All you have to do is just transfer some product in the cap, take some product on the pizza puff, and just rub this. Before setting your makeup, please make sure that you blend under your eyes, over your eyes, around your mouth, so that there will be no creases. Okay, and now just dab, dab, dab. Don't forget your lids. As you can see, again taking some product, rub like this and dab, 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 dab. That's it. So now for the contour, you can use a darker shade of concealer, or you can buy अलग से, but I don't think he है. I mean है, but I don't have it right now. There is this Insight का एक dual sided product आता है, like एक तरफ contour है, एक तरफ highlighter है, तो you can buy that one, but I don't have any contour in the affordable category. I only have like a elf contour wand, but that is like expensive, so I'm not including that in this video. But you can use any brown eyeshadow or lip liner, just to give shadow to your face. Okay, so now our base makeup is done. Now moving on to our powder blushes. So I have two options right here for you. Okay, so this one is from Sugar Pop. This is in the shade 01 Rose. It's very pigmented. I'm using this for years and ये अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. You just need a tiny bit of this product, to be honest, और मैं इससे बहुत ज़्यादा बोर हो चुकी हूँ क्योंकि ये ख़त्म नहीं हो रहा है. And the next product I have is this Pink Flash. This is the blush. I don't know the shade of this because इनके इसकी पैकेजिंग के ऊपर भी शेड नहीं मेंशन है, but this is a very beautiful peachy blush. So let me give you a swatch of this product. It is very pigmented and this is how it looks. Look at that. This is excessively pigmented. Look at that. इतना पिगमेंट कैसे, मेरी फिंगर स्टेन हो चुकी है. ये इतना पिगमेंटेड ब्लश है. आई डोंट नो ये क्या इसमें पुट कर रहे हैं, बट या दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. आई एम गोना अप्लाई इट थोड़ा सा. आई एम स्केयर्ड, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. आई एम रियली वेरी स्केयर्ड. आई एम गोना टॉप दिस with this blush, to be honest. I'm just mixing both the shades, like a pink and this is also very pigmented, so please be careful while applying your blush. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके बिल्ड करो, वरना बहुत ज़्यादा मुंह पे लग जाएगा तो ये बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं होता है. बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है इसको ठीक करने में, और मैंने बोलते बोलते बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लश लगा दिया है. Okay, so now moving on to the next product. Next is our highlighter. I have two options for you, or you can just use this Lumi cream, that's it. अगर आपको अलग से नहीं खरीदना है, तो आप ये लूमी क्रीम भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. एंड देन द मोस्ट अफोर्डेबल थिंग आई हैव इज दिस इनसाइड. अगेन आई एम सो सॉरी दैट आई एम यूजिंग सो मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड बिकॉज they are just so good and so affordable. So that's why I'm just including all of these products, and these are the products that I'm using every single day if I'm doing my makeup. Okay, so I'm using these products so much. So this is the highlighter palette. As you can see, I have used this so much. So it's a very beautiful product, so I'm just gonna take some. See how pretty, right? Look at it, so pretty. Moving on to the eyes, I have this option for eyebrows. This is from Mars, and you can even use the Miss Clear eyebrow pencil. It is also very good. So I do have that one in my vanity. So this is the eyebrow pencil. It is from Mars. It is super pigmented, and this is in the shade dark brown. So I'm gonna just fill in my eyebrows. Now moving on to the next step is our eyeshadow. I have two options. The first one is from Swiss Beauty. By the way, this is my first ever makeup palette, and I'm still using this. It's broken, so please don't mind that. And the next one is from Inside. This is like four eyeshadow, and this is like 9. So both of them are like equally in the price point, बट बोथ ऑफ देम आर इक्वली गुड. अगर आपको बहुत छोटी आई शेडो पैलेट चाहिए, आपको ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करना, तो यू कैन बाय दिस वन. इसके अंदर और भी बहुत सारे शेड्स आते हैं, और सेम एज दिस वन इसके अंदर भी बहुत सारे शेड्स आते हैं. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना प्ले सेफ. So I'm just mixing both the eyeshadows just to show you guys. So I'm starting with this eyeshadow palette and I'm mixing both of the brown shades just off the excess. By the way, this palette is equally pigmented. I'm just going to give you some swatches. मेरा हाथ भर चुका है swatches की वजह से. Okay, so this is so pigmented. So I'm just taking that and now I'm gonna apply it all over my eyelids. See, it is very pigmented. Now I'm gonna mix some pink, light pink shade from this palette. like this. Mixing light brown and pink to apply on my lower lash. I'm gonna take this shimmery shade. See how pigmented. Okay, so our eye makeup is done. Now for the eyeliner, I have this OG option, the Lakme eyeliner. And you can, if you like struggling so much with the eyeliner, I have one another option. Okay, so this is like a pencil eyeliner. It is from Dazzle. It is like waterproof eyeliner, but it is actually not waterproof. It is just water resistance eyeliner. So you can try this one. It has this felt tip. uh, See, I've also reviewed this particular eyeliner on my Instagram. You can check that out. बट आई लाइक मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस हो चुकी है आई लाइनर लगाने की, तो मैं इसी से मोस्टली अपना आई लाइनर लगाती हूँ. इट्स जेट ब्लैक, इट्स सुपर पिगमेंटेड, so I really like this eyeliner so much. So I'm just gonna apply a wing eyeliner with this. Okay, we are done with the eyeliner and I know मेरा eyeliner एकदम सेम नहीं है, जो बहुत रेयर चांस होता है कि सेम हो. So now moving on to the next is our mascara. So but first I'm gonna curl my lashes. Okay, so for the mascara, I have this mascara. This is from Mars. This is a Fablash mascara. और इसकी हालत देख के आपको लग रहा हो, पता चल रहा होगा कि मैंने कितना ज़्यादा यूज़ किया है. So, but the only thing is इसका बॉन्ड बहुत ज़्यादा थिक है. So please be careful while applying this mascara. और अगर मेरे को कोई और मस्कारा मिला, so I'm definitely gonna share it with you. जो कि मुझे मिला है, but I'm gonna make a video on it, like a review video. So subscribe कर लेना ताकि मिस ना हो. It is waterproof and it is very lightweight. मेरे पास मेबलिन का मस्कारा भी है, बट मुझे वो थोड़ा सा हैवी फील होता है आईज पे, सो मैं इसलिए उसको अप्लाई नहीं करती. वाटरप्रूफ है बट आराम से रिमूव हो जाएगा. ऑयल की हेल्प से रिमूव कर लो या मेकअप रिमूवर, बहुत आराम से, और आपके आई लैशेज़ को भी नहीं बाहर निकालेगा. So our eye makeup is almost done. I'm just gonna apply some inner corner highlight. I'm using the same highlighter. And we are done. Now for the setting spray, you can use the Swiss Beauty setting spray. मैंने वो पहले use किया है. It's a very beautiful product. Okay, so our everything is done. Now move on to the lips. मैंने आपको दिखाया कि मेरे पास दो ऑप्शन है. So I'm just using this lip liner. It is creamy. Okay, so this is the lip tint I'm using. It is red. So be careful. Uh, इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा करके बिल्ड करना, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा पैची हो जाता है. सी. ओके, सो मेरा आई मेकअप के साथ ही बिल्कुल भी नहीं जा रहा है. मैंने यूज़ दिस लिप टिंट. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. As you can see, my base, my under eye, my cheeks, the highlighter, lip combo, blush and everything is so perfect. You really don't need high quality products to get this makeup look. All you need is just the technique that you use to do your makeup, और वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस के साथ आएगी, वरना नहीं आएगी, क्योंकि मैंने भी बहुत ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करी है. So this is how it looks. I really like the way my makeup look turned out. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Please do let me know what you guys think about this makeup look, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.